to weight loss, salad is only half the story. The dressing can turn a healthy bowl into a calorie bomb or keep it fresh, light, and full of flavor. The good news is that healthy choices do not have to taste boring. A simple olive oil and lemon dressing is always a winner. It adds healthy fats and a bright, fresh taste without loading up on sugar. Greek yogurt dressing is another smart pick, offering a creamy texture with more protein and fewer calories than many store-bought creamy options. Balsamic vinaigrette also deserves a spot on the list because it brings a sweet and tangy flavor while staying relatively light when used in moderation. Mustard-based dressings are packed with bold flavor and usually contain very few calories. Salsa is another surprising choice that works beautifully as a dressing, adding a fresh kick with tomatoes, onions, and herbs instead of heavy cream or oil. Finally, apple cider vinegar mixed with a little olive oil and herbs creates a refreshing dressing that pairs well with almost any salad. The biggest trick is to keep an eye on portion size. Even healthy dressings can add up if poured on without thinking. Fresh herbs, garlic, black pepper, and a squeeze of citrus can boost flavor naturally, making every bite more satisfying. A great salad dressing should make vegetables exciting, not hide them under sugar or heavy cream. With these 6 healthy options, every salad can stay delicious while supporting weight loss goals, proving that eating well never has to feel like a chore.